welcome back again, people. Don't know, it's another episode again, guys. Today we're by the river. Haven't come by the river for a while now. Today, guys, what we are do is we are gonna make a oven from stone. Understand? Because we have some cake mix and we're gonna try bake a cake to the river. You see me? Let's hopefully that come out perfect. Well, it might not be perfect, but we're trying to aim for the best. So right now, trust me, just reach out here and I'm super tired, guys. Like, with a walk, I try to get egg. Didn't get any egg, so you know what happened? Get some common fowl egg. Yeah. So I didn't know we are gonna use today, guys, but we only managed to get 2. So right now, I'm gonna use less of the mix to try equal up everything. You see me? So right now, we're gonna see if we can get the stone them ready up, because the stone we're gonna use, as I say. So we're going to the water, try to get the stone them, come back out and try to build up the oven. You guys are going to see the full process of that. So stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe, people. Isn't it? And turn on the post notification so you know when the video them post. Yeah, so with all that being said, we'll get to work now, get the stone them and make our oven and get everything started. So let's go, peeps. So you see that, peeps, from morning I've been seeing a lot of butterflies, which is really nice. Trust me, you hardly see butterfly these days. And to see the amount of butterfly from morning, trust me, it's really nice, no joke. Alright, people, so here we are going to do right now. We're going to get some stone from out of the river to make an oven. You understand? So let's go in the river now, get some stone, come back and start the oven. Alright, guys, so we get 3 nice stone. I think that's enough for the base side. So here we're going to bring you guys a little closer. We're going to set up them stone in the proper way. And then we're going to do a finishing touch to it. So I'll bring you guys closer. Here we have the stone them. We're going to try to make something like this and cut across. So let's see if we can get that set up the right way. Alright, guys, so see, I have a nice little thing going on right here. So next step, I get the grill, we'll put it on top of here and build up. Understand? So we're gonna see if we can get here so with some stone and stuff first, because the sand right here kind of wet. That will make it kind of cold. So we'll get some little stone and throw right inside of here and get it, you know? So the cold won't be on the wet sand. So people, this is going to be the base of the oven, you understand? So I get the grill put on top so you can get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. And then we get the fire start and then we're going to build up the rest of it. So stay tuned and see what's going on. So guys, here we have the little grill. We're gonna want that right there, so we're gonna put the container up on top of it. So you know this is gonna be what I call this now, like a little shelf like. Yeah. So the container go up on top of it, and then the cake gonna bake inside. So y'all are gonna see that. So just stay tuned. Fire time now, so we're gonna try if we can catch a fire. We have some coal. Don't want too much fire to the beach because we're just baking a cake. Time to get the fire started. That's what I say about the grill. This is how the grill will go on. Alright? I'm gonna get a few more stone put around it, just like how these are. I get some more put around it. And then we have a next piece of material. We're going to cover off it and make a fire up on top. So right now what we're going to do now is get the rest of the stone them to around it and we're good to go. Alright people, so that's how the oven look already, you understand? So I don't know, with like a pan I go under here so and respond this grill right here, you understand? We have a fire under here so we're gonna put some on top soon, you understand? So everything will go on so well. This is our little oven, this is how we're gonna use bake with cake. Yeah, because you don't know stone them will get hot, so all of that are gonna chop the heat and everything. So this is the best thing right now. Right on the river. We can bake a cake on the river, guys. So we can keep a birthday party and make a cake set speed on spot. Get me? So it's all about creativity, you know, people. I don't know. You have to be creative. I mean, it might not be your idea, but if you're not creative, you can't do it. You understand? So you have to use your mind and put it on to work, you understand? So right now, we make that go and heat up. As you can see, the on top, we're gonna make the fire afterwards. So all we're going to do now is we're going to get the cake mix out. We're going to start mix up with cake mix and then put the pan inside to go and heat, and then we're going to grease it with some butter and then boom, we're going to chuck it in that grill and just go and wait for it to finish. So hope everything works out well as we said before. Yeah, so basically that's it. We just get the mix sorted out now and ready. So right now we're going to just get this mix out. Now our container that is right there. Yeah, and we'll get the grill sorted out. Well, everything's sorted out, so we'll just get this mix up now, and then we're going to chuck it in the oven and get the thing up and running. So as you say, we only managed to get 2 eggs and 3 peas. So we're not going to use all of the mix. I'll leave back some. So guys, I'm going to leave back this amount in the bag to use the next time. Because we don't have the full ingredients. We don't want anything to spoil on us. So, it smells really nice. I get this sort out now, so we can throw it in our pan and put in our oven. We're gonna add the ingredients now. So guys, these are the eggs. We call them a common fowl egg. Yeah, these are just the regular fowl we walk up and down. We get 2 eggs from them. So then we are going to use today. So we're going to add the egg first. Add the next one. As we say 2, so we're going to use all of the mix. And the full mix we have to use 3 eggs. That right there. I'm going to add some oil. And some water. And mix. So guys, we're gonna mix up the peeps. We're gonna check one way. Ooh, that's hot. So you see what going inside of this now? We get the pan inside, make it go and heat, and then we're gonna rub some butter and grease the pan, and then we're gonna throw in the butter inside of the pan and everything ready. So we can spread out this with a piece of stick. Yeah, we are hot, and then we are gonna get the pan inside right now. Make it go and heat up, and then we are gonna add the mixture inside. So what we're going to do right now is I get the pan grease. I'll put it off this. Yeah. Put that aside for a second. Woo, hot. But it's really hot right now, so that's good. Now we are grease the pan with some butter. Now I'm going to put in the mix. I'm going to leave that a couple minutes and check back on it. Alright people, so right now everything is on track. We have a cake inside of that a bake. They're on the river at the moment. Understand? So right now we just go and cool off, go on easy. We're gonna set up the drone now and see if we can get some little shots. I'm showing you guys what's up. So we'll give that about, I think the paper said 20-30 minutes, I think. So we'll give it that amount of time and then we'll check back on it and see how it's doing. Understand? So for right now everything's coming along well. See if we can show you guys how everything look. That's how it look right now. It'll go and bake. So you know, this is a nice little thing you can do. Understand? Coming along perfectly. See how inside of it look? Yeah. So right now, fire heat hot. And we have some on top same way. So I give it the time now, the required time, and check back. Can see, yeah, so the oven will work perfect, but we're gonna take off the top and we're gonna test it and see how far it reach. So see it there now, we're gonna test the, we're gonna get off the top and we're gonna test the cake and see how far it reach, so we can know how much more fire or whatever it need, or if we don't need anymore. Oh my god, a little burn on the top there. Whoa guys, you know what go on this now? I guess it's still no cook. So I give it a little more time because you need some more fire up on the top. So I give it some more fire up on the top and then get it off. Wow. Yeah, look on our cake, look on our oven. Bush oven, you know. Cover back it down. Yeah. I'll get some fire up on the top now. Alright guys, so right now we are waiting on the cake to finish. It come on good, you know, but we want to get a little more time. Some of it not equally baked, so we have to get the fire in some areas because you don't want to put too much fire and get it burned or cooked unevenly. So we're trying to get it the best as possible right now. So we're all enjoying, learning something. That is it. So what you going on? The cake is baked, so you don't know that ready. So I'm gonna try to get it out from under the oven right now and put it in a plate. Well, I might put it in cool first. I might just put it aside the water so it cools faster. But because the rain kind of drew, I don't want to put it out for it wet up still. So right now just make it go and stay, and whenever rain cool down, I put it beside the water, make it go and cool, and then we're gonna put it in our plate, guys. So yeah, you guys are gonna see how it turn out. I'm not sure how the bottom part is still, but hopefully it not burn, hopefully it not black. You see me? So there's a wait for the rain right now for kind of get hold up a little because it's a dew right now. So with all of that, we're going to wait for the rain, and then we're going to show you how the cake look afterwards. Stay tuned for that. Alright peeps, so moment of truth. I get this off of the top right now. Yeah guys, and those holes are when I test it. Right now, let's see if we can get it off. See what I talk about the water. I really don't want the water with it. But this is how it looks. Yeah. Nice yellow cake, people. Kinda get a little burn right there. But other from that, it's good. So I put it beside the water, make it cool a little bit faster. Hopefully don't turn over any water though. Whew, hot. But yeah, this is how it looks. Alright people, so here we have a cake, kinda cooler now. We have an oval, we'll make it, you know. In a sense, so this was the whole thing. Alright people, so we have a cake. It worked out good. So what we are going to do right now, guys, we're going to see if we can put it in a flat plate, or we're going to cut it up, and so we're going to go into the container to bring home, and we're going to test out it and make you know how it will go on. You see me? So I could do that right now. Yes people, so we have a cake. Let's see if we can put it in this. Flip it over. Wow. And we have a cake. Jaja, yo, this is so amazing. Imagine baking a cake outside. Outside on a stone oven, and it comes out perfect like this. Yo, Jano, this is so beautiful. Now we're gonna slice it up and we're gonna share it between the subscriber them. So who up on the premiere one piece, raise on the hand right now. I'm gonna get phone to share. Guys, the share will come out perfect. Look at this. It didn't even really stick in the pan. And this is the cake. This is the pan. That's the oven right there with that it was baked in. Alright people, so we get the machete clean up because we don't bring no knife, so we'll clean up the machete and we're going to cut off a piece of this cake and we're going to sample it right now. So I'm going to go do that right now so we can sample this well fast. Alright guys, so I'm going to cut a piece of the cake now and see how it go on. Nice. Only thing I don't like is the brown part that is kind of crisp, but it's good. It's hot. Oh. I mean, I just want to know some icing. I want to cool it tomorrow, I want to go on the fridge or stuff. Because it's still kind of warm. But it's just a taste test. As I said, perfect. Cooked perfectly. You know, it's not like I started from scratch, but the whole concept was to try to get it done outside, which I would say it's a success. It's a success. Guys, look at it. Yep. I have some juice in my bag. I'm gonna hit that out right now because trust me, this type of cake will choke you. So, I get some juice right now and drink. So guys, we have a D&G soda, Polar champagne, bottom. Go on. Says it? Be creative. Make a nice cake on that piece of those rocks. Just have to just be creative, guys. Just be creative in whatever you are. Alright, so this, I'm going to cut it up, I'm going to put it in a container and bring it home. You understand? So that's what we're going to do right now, guys. I'm going to pack up the stuff them. It was a successful one. I'm going to fix up now and head home. Alright guys, so I'll get the cake cut up now and put it in this and bring home. is what I'm talking about. This is all the cake. You know? So you don't know grandmother, grandfather, sister, and whoever else is home, I get piece of this today. Yeah. So, as I said, I hope you all enjoy this video, guys. I'll close out the video now. Hopefully we can do something again creative next time. But for now, we're gonna stick with this. You understand? So guys, remember to thumbs up the video, guys, share it, and subscribe to the channel, people. For now, I'm out. Stay tuned.